Welcome back. 2012 Volvo XC90. Whistles like crazy when you start it up. And if you pull the dipstick tube out a little bit, it stops. Common issue on these. It's part of the oil trap, but there's a PCV diaphragm that goes bad. If you replace it with OEM parts, you're replacing that whole oil trap assembly. There is Dorman, not my favorite part supplier, but they make a part for this. We're going to replace this, see if it fixes the issue. It should. Hopefully it does, and a lot cheaper than buying a whole oil trap assembly. Let's just pop the cover off of this. I believe this has to come off. No, probably not. I'm going to move it to the other side because what we want to get at is right here. So first things first, got to get this one off. And of course, I just found out the hood doesn't stay up. Let me get a prop for that. Good enough, should hold it for me. These just it's got little clips, little indents. How am I going to get it off there? I don't know. I'm going to try with a pick and see if we can just work our way around and get it loose. We'll see how that goes. So you can see how I broke these. I took a real small screwdriver and kind of got in the corner here and broke the front four that I could get to, and then I could kind of lift it off without any problem. What I didn't want to do was damage these tabs, and I didn't. I was careful of that. This I don't care about. So you can see that's normally a piece all the way across there, and you can see there's a little piece of it left, but I basically broke the front four that I could get to just by using a screwdriver and tapping down in the corner and breaking that piece off. Then I could get that off of there. All right, got it back on there. Just be careful with it. I put this side in first, down first, kind of tip this way, so I can hook the back ones because you can't really get to them. And then I pushed it down and carefully used the soft dead blow hammer to get that on. But it's on. I'm going to push the dipstick, make sure the dipstick's all the way back in. I'm just going to start this up and we're going to see if it whistles or that fixed the problem, which would be a whole lot better than replacing that whole assembly. That would not be, it'd be a lot more money. I'll just say that. Not whistling. That's good. I don't particularly like this setup. But that's neither here nor there. If it fixes it, it fixes it. I'm going to let this run a couple minutes, see if it starts whistling. I don't think it's going to. I think that's good. I think we're going to be good there. See how it goes, but looks like it fixed it.